is what I've learned about requirements of job, contract of service, and part-time employees. Types of job order worker, non-licensed professionals who are not in the profession, and licensed professionals who offer services for charge must pass government license exams. BOS includes professionals and non-professionals employed by job order or contract of service, with gross receipts under 250,000 over 250,000, but not 3 million over 3 million, or with numerous payments. Provider of services under a COS or GO, including professionals whose total receipts do not exceed 250,000, must register using BIR Form 901. Furnish a service contracts and produce a proof of identification or birth certificate. The text lists the prerequisites such as invoicing, registration, and tax compliance for a solo payer to be eligible to collect gross payment exceeding 250,000. It notes that a birth certificate, service contracts, and BIR Form 1901 are required. If a person's gross receipts surpass 3 million, they need to submit a birth certificate, service contract, and BIR Form 1901 for registration. In addition, they have complete VAT returns, attach financial documents, and file quarterly and annual ITRs. Registration, BIR Form 1901, service agreement, billing, bookkeeping, and tax compliance are all necessary for the multiple payer. They have to file VAT returns, percentage tax returns, 17010 and 17001 forms, and withholds business increditable or income withholdings. Gross sales and non-operating income over 250,000 must be used to determine the final annual income tax due for taxpayer who qualifies for 8% income tax rate choice. Although financial statement and bookkeeping guidelines are needed, this option is thought to be available with graduated income tax rates. There be no changes made for the current year to the election, which is final. Of withholding tax to be charged to the pay. By signing a sworn declaration giving income payers a copy of COR in January 15 of each year and submitting a sworn statement within 15 days of a new income recipient's declaration, the withholding agent ascertains the applicable withholding tax rates for pays. Both Annex A1 and Annex A2 contains income tax declaration for self-employed people and those with several income payers. What withholding tax rates would be if applicable if the payer received no sworn declaration from the individual payee. For payments over 250,000, the loan payer is required to withhold the stipulated rate of withholding tax, while the withholding agent will withhold a higher rate of 10%. In the event of layoff, contract termination, no business activity within 10 days of separation, and clearing, the taxpayer shall notify BIR Forms 2304 and 2307, which must be sent to the payee by the 20th day of the month after the end of the taxable quarter, are necessary attachment for filing on BIR, ITR.